Hi, my name's Tim, and I'm going to take you through the existing Comcast DVR, and then later today my Comcast TiVo will be hooked up, and I will take you through a guided tour of that as well. So hope you enjoy it, and here we go. So I've got the sound off just so you can hear my voice and not the television. Not that Peter Gammon's talking about Johan Santana of the Mets isn't interesting, but not what we're here for today. I'm using my Logitech Harmony remote, so I won't show you the remote interface, but what I can show you of the current setup through Comcast is a few things. First, I'll show you the guide. So when I press the guide button, it calls up the guide. It's pretty intuitive, makes a lot of sense. As you navigate through, I don't like that ad unit that they've popped down on the bottom there promoting other programs and such, but I guess you have to deal with that. But as you select through, you can change the channel through the guide, and then you can also get further information and set up to record or remind or view upcoming titles or watch it when it comes on, etc. For that program. So the guide is fairly intuitive. One thing that I've noticed is if I want to see the primetime schedule for the week coming up and set some recordings of things on between 8 and 11 each day through the week and make sure that's set up, it is a little difficult for me to navigate there. I have to kind of go channel by channel or time by time and then by channel, and it is a little clunky. But other than that, I find the guide interface to be pretty effective. It does hang sometimes. I don't know if we'll experience that here, but it definitely can be a little the application feels a little heavy, if you will. So I've got two tuners, so at any point I can swap tuners. I can record on both at the same time and watch something while something's being recorded on both. Let's see, let me take you to the DVR interface. Here's a list of recordings. As you can see, 78% full on this hard drive. One thing I'm also upgrading, I'm getting a slightly larger hard drive from what I have now, which I think is under 100 gigabits to 160. So very happy with the amount of HD content I record. Not that with the writer's strike you're seeing anything good here, but very happy about that. As you choose something, you can, play it, delete it, all that fun stuff. Pretty standard DVR service. One thing I think, or at least I'm excited about with the TiVo interface is the series priorities and all that stuff. I find this interface here to be really just poorly done. To move something, to change priorities, etc. for your series list is I don't like it. I found that it's definitely a little on the glitchy side, but it's definitely not as intuitive as TiVo, which I do have a Series 1 TiVo in my basement that I had a lifetime subscription for. So I'm fairly familiar with the intuitiveness of the TiVo interface, although any updates that have been made, I'm probably left sitting back in good old year 2000 TiVo interface. Let's see. I don't really use the find shows to record. I usually know what I want to record. I've never really manually recorded, so I can't really speak to that. I guess the last thing I'll show you in the current interface is on demand, which once again, the on demand interface is, it's okay. It's kind of what you expect from Comcast. If we look at premium channels, for example, we go to all our movies, HBO movies, all movies, and then you can navigate through I find watching previews can be a little tricky sometimes. They don't always work, and then it's hard to stop it once it starts. Other than that, and I'm not sure the fast forward, you can only go up to 2 speeds on the on demand, where in the DVR you can go up to about 5 times fast forward, etc. to run through things. So other than that, I'm not sure what else to show you in the existing. Here's your quick menu. One thing I will show you the overall menu, parental control, setup, etc. All pretty standard cable box type stuff. So that's the basic Comcast DVR, and I'll update this with a comparison of the TiVo version once I have it installed. So thank you very much. That's Tim signing off.